圆性东西。
Sure. And then the next page.
Oh, God.
So you know the angle two corner and two ends in the side. So you want to know the square or triangle.
So we have to figure out what. Okay.
So there's an image. Would you answer there? What? This is the first question. Would you answer? We know the two angle, right? Two angle and two measures the same. So now you want to know the square. The area.
Oh, the area of the triangle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do the area. Yeah. Second I leave, it was raining. The second I leave from my brother in my room, it starts recording like crazy. So what do we check? Yeah.
That's 11. Yeah, 11.
I do that. Triangle formula. Find this equals an A sine. Now what is the height?
Oh, yeah.
1/2.
This might be weird. That's easy. There we go. Go to humanities. Because it's not English. YouTube. I can't remember because I can't help with shit. There's a triangle. Touch it with this. It can be triangles.
So 35. Both are 4.
Remember this on
I don't know what the cosine of 35 is. God damn it.
What are the special angles we're supposed to know?
What are we finding?
Yeah, yeah.
You're not saying.
That's not right. Damn it.
You got it?
I know 90 degrees is 1.
Can't find my. I'm gonna find my.
Get him I'm pretty sure.
So hard. It's gonna be good. Hold on. We're going home tomorrow. Yeah. Because I'm really taking Friday. For what? Because she's gonna go see her friend there. And so I told her that's when she's going to Christ and focus for Halloween.
Oh God, that's so it's gonna be 1
This is to be 6. Maybe.
half.
She changed baby to 6. Okay.
What?
You already got it?
Well, I thought that was 4.
1/2.
I found the area. I don't know.
I think
AB
you
is-
change AB to 6. That's what makes sense.
Okay.
A will be 6.
Yeah.
B is 11.
They have two
Sine.
ways to do this. Because this triangle is special, right?
35.
Oh my god. Is it 35? No, actually, I don't know. Wait,
35 isn't special.
it's special. I'm not sure. I'm good with it. Let's go.
1/2. Six times 11.
Just picked up on my mom. Hey, man.
Sine of
Oh, no, she doesn't get it.
35.
I'll pretend to get it.
My answer is wrong because I got a negative. No, that's wrong. That isn't right.
Okay, maybe.
H. I need to find H. H. What the hell can? How the hell can you find H? How do you know? How the hell can you find the height of a triangle? Where's the height? How do you find the height?
Oh, it's moving.
Eight times the sine.
Oh, wait.
Four. No, it's not four. It's 6 times sine of 35. And that's giving me an exact answer, which is something I don't want. God damn it. Why did I charge my calculator? Not like that, because I'm not allowed those tests, so just use those. If you need a little help, you can afford some.
Okay, okay, sure. Okay.
Okay.
First thing, because the angle here is 7, right? If here is 35. What is it here? 35, right? So what else? So this side, AB, this here, right? Yeah. So 6. So you can just, this is the first leg.
Oh, it's an equilateral triangle. I'm so dumb.
Okay. Okay, try to do that in the first video also.
It's an equilateral triangle. Duh.
Yeah.
Wait, then how's that side like 11 if it's... Oh no, those are just lines misaligned. Why didn't I see that? It's an equilateral triangle. Not on the scale.
Actually, second way is much more easier than this way. Because I recently learned like if you know the angle here and 2 ends, there are a formula, right? The formula allow you just to get the area directly, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah, you can use that formula.
I tried using that formula and I ended up getting a negative result, so I did something
How can you be
stupid.
negative? Right? Do you know the formula? Can you tell me then?
It'd be 1/2 AB sine theta.
Right. Sine. Theta, right?
And the sine,
This is theta, right?
hmm?
Okay, use 2 ways. Second way is just use the formula to check if you get the right answer by the first way you did. Okay?
1/2 6 times 11 sine 35, which I don't remember what it is. Because then so 1/2 6 times 11 sine 34. But why is my phone giving me a negative result?
Right? Another way is you have the second. This, yeah. This is 5.5 times.
Yeah.
And you do the answer. distribution. 1/2 BC.
I got a negative number.
How can you get a negative?
Negative.
I don't know.
Because then sine 35.
Yeah, I did sine 35.
So you guys sine 35 is negative?
No, this 1/2 times 6 times 11 times the sine of 35 is some negative.
Impossible.
I'm going the other way.
Just, I don't understand
Yeah,
either.
can you take that from me?
Go back to what you were. Do you have no memory? Okay. I'll just have to type it all. Okay, so 1/2 times 6 times 11 times the sine of 35.
To do the
Yes.
Why is my phone being so stupid? I paid $600 for that phone and it's being stupid. Is that the right formula?
I think you want
Is that the right formula?
You're the one.
It's fucked up. Wait.
Yeah.
6 times 11.
6 times 11 times, well, 1/2 times 6 times 11 times,
That's why you raised it.
just backspace.
6 times 11.
1/2 6 times 11 times the square root. No, not square root. Times sine of 35.
It's giving you a negative number.
I know.
I thought you were joking.
It's stupid. So that is the right formula, but it's just giving me the wrong
Yeah,
result.
this calculator is crazy.
But
It's just, I don't know.
Well,
Maybe it's like it ready.
maybe it's and it's a Google calculator, not some rip-off thing from the Play Store.
A, B, and C. But the area should be right and half. AD. Multiply sine theta, right?
Yeah,
And this equation, it means.
and this works for anything?
Yeah, work for anything.
But I got a different result doing that than doing the Pythagorean theorem.
What?
I got a different result using the formula than using the Pythagorean theorem. Because you know we could use that formula or we could use the Pythagorean theorem.
My problem with the Pythagorean theorem is I can't. I mean, for this one, after it was made evident that it was a isosceles triangle with the base, with the top of the triangle being at the midpoint of the base. Unless, in cases where that's not true, I'm just not sure how to figure out how long the base is on each side.
Right, this is the first way. The second way, you can just the head, right? Because they will be equal to bottom. So each side is 1 plus 5. So then you can get a head, right? So this is the second way. Got it? Okay. Let's try this one. I want you to know some formula that Professor told you. Does he give you the
Yeah,
formula sheet? Formula sheet?
No,
You
No.
think that? No, right? So you should remember it.
mean the two dots.
Okay, we know sine A.
Equals.
You do know that?
No, I don't know.
I don't think we learned this in class yet.
Like that's mean that if sine A is 3, sine B the value is 2, and sine C the value is 4, right? You know that, right?
Oh,
You know that? But then it's use the formula. Would you Professor told us?
The
Wait. You heard this formula, right?
no, we did not learn this yet. I don't think.
I didn't do that.
You do that before? This one? The formula. Okay.
I don't think we got that far
no,
yet.
I don't think so.
This might be a good one to leave for tomorrow. No, it's all right.
Nobody was heard this.
How about this
Before
one?
we answer this,
Yeah, I know that one.
Ah,
we're gonna
okay.
everybody.
Okay. So if I tell you this formula, I give that to you. I give that to you.
Then,
So you can know how to do that question. This one.
yeah, I could figure that out.
Okay?
Because sine A, sine B, sine C, it's just inputting things.
Okay, so here it is. Another girl. Yeah, another
Which word is
Now, could we get the value of a side? Could we just have the values of the sin? If we just have the values of the sin, how can we get the value of a side?
Because you know, like, you have sine A, divided sine B, divided sine C is 3 divided 2 divided 3, 4, right?
3, and all those are in a similar ratio.
Yeah.
So it'd be in the same triangle. Right? Or would it be a similar triangle? I'm confused.
Sine A ratio sine B ratio sine C
Oh,
is equal to 3 ratio 2 ratio 4.
So 3 to 2, 4.
That is mean, okay, that is mean with, you can just think in sine A, you get it?
Sine A would be
That is not that hard because you can just think A.
so sine A
Is 3K, B is 2, C is right, and A is the 3K multiply 2K, right? Then the K squared could be cancelled. So you can get a ratio value, Y cosine C.
So it'd be 3K. 3K squared. $2K squared.
What's the answer?
4K squared. All over. Got it.
1 over 4. Cosine C is 1 over 4.
First K squared over 26 squared. K squared. 3K.
Yeah, negative.
K squared. 12K squared. Just one over 12.
Minus 0.1. Right?
Yeah.
So the K's get canceled. Oh, 3K. 1 3K gets canceled. So now it's just a 3K. Plus 2K. Wait, so are there squares? What happened to the square values? And a squared, b squared, c squared?
A squared, it should be 9K squared, right?
A squared should be 3K squared.
Right. A is 3K.
A is 3K, and then it gets a square value on it.
No.
So that means you still have those K's attached. Okay.
And how come you divided by 3K times 2K? I did it different.
3K plus
3K multiplied 2K multiplied 2 is 12K squared, right?
Yeah.
And this is
oh, 3 times 4K. 3K times 4K is 12K squared. K squared plus 2K squared minus 4K squared. So K squared minus 4K squared. 1K squared over 2 times 3K times 4K.
Oh, but it's the same thing if you just
3K times
use.
4K is.
you mean just use the number?
Yeah. The
Okay,
A, B, and C.
here see, you can see that by yourself, but you cannot because why I use K? You think about it, why I use K not just 3? Because we don't know exactly the value, right? We just know the ratio.
Yeah.
So it could be 3 to 4, right? It also could be 6 for 8, right?
But it could also be 60, 40, and 80.
Yeah, sure. So that's why I use K. K means the value you want to change.
Oh.
Got
Okay.
it.
I didn't know what was K.
K is the value
You could be changing, right? The K. So just multiply K. That is mean the every value.
well,
And how come you can divide it by?
Because this situation, the K could be cancelled.
Okay.
I'm lost. Like, what the? I don't even understand how you got rid of K somehow.
Do you understand something?
No, I don't understand. Yeah, I did it in another way. Like you can find the ratio yourself, like creating numbers that fit the ratio, and you just plug them in the formula, and you get
3 to 2 to 4.
Yeah, for example, I used 60, 40, and 80. So it was 60 squared plus 40 squared minus 80 squared over 4,800. And I got the same answer.
Oh.
Is it Bazinga?
Your teacher, Bazinga?
What?
Yes.
Yes.
You right? Big Boss student?
Yes, but I don't watch it anymore because I don't have time.
Sheldon Cooper.
Might have time if I don't do well. I have all the time I want.
What are your midterm grades, man?
64.
64?
Yes.
No, but like an average, like from every class. You know, my IT midterm grades?
I have no idea.
Oh, you haven't seen them? They're out there.
Wait, so you go to my IIT and
Then you
it's
go to academics, go to banner, then you go to student, then you go to personal information, I believe, and there it says like midterm grades, and you have like the grades of all your subjects.
no, I'll check that later.
What's your notes?
All I need to know is what is this?
Oh, those are not my notes. These are notebooks like just to like.
Do you take your notebook?
No, I don't think one.
I'm lost.
I think John takes notes.
I take vigorous notes, but they turn out to be worthless because in the end I forget what they are, and then I do horribly on quizzes and tests.
No, you just gotta be more.
I mean, I can get all the homework done, but if you can't do the quizzes and tests, then
So you got 64 on the test?
it's still gonna. No, I got a 72.
Which is a 36.
No, I got 72% on the test, but I have no idea how many points that was. But basically, my average for math is now at 64%. If I don't bring that up by the end of the next major test, then I might be forced to drop out.
Why?
Because I'll stand a very high chance of failing, and having a drop on your record is better than having a failure on your record. So I don't want to redo this class.
No.
Really don't. So I'm really hoping I do well.
So we have to find EC.
It's not because I don't like the class. I
It's
don't.
really good.
It's a pretty good class. It's the fact that
I don't know.
if I'm not able to complete this class, then I can't do most of my second year fall classes because they require Calc 2 to be done.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which I'm going to have to do Calc 2 over the summer.
I'm gonna have to do Calc 2 as well. Every math one breaks too.
What's
What's
the
thing on the top? Is that an 8?
Yeah, A. B is parallel to BC.
So the distance between A and D is.
Wait,
Oh, you
so
didn't
the
give
top point,
A.
You didn't give the distance between A and D.
I thought that was
You don't
theta.
need that.
So.
Because DE,
And what's AE?
what?
So that's
A is
A,
Okay.
that's a D, that's a B,
Oh,
and
It's
that's
not that hard.
a 7. I recognize these. This one, it's a little bit easier
35 over
than the
what?
previous problem because it involves ratios. Well, actually, thinking about it, it's basically the
35
same
over,
problem,
right?
in a different sort of perspective. So then there's E. E. So we have to find the length between E and C.
Yep.
Okay,
It's easy. You just
that's not
gotta
that
do-
bad.
yeah,
You got
five
a ratio of
5
4
over
to
4 equals E over 7.
5 over 4.
Equals,
No.
Yeah, I do it
5 over 4 is E over. Yes,
I do
you're
it
right.
differently, the same thing. So at the end you multiply 7 times 5 over 4.
And that's a simple solve. like the way I would do it is 4 over 7 is equal to whatever that is.
You got this?
I got 35 over.
35 over 4, right?
Yeah.
You get EC? No, that's AC.
That's AC, yeah. Okay, yeah. Just
You need
Right.
to minus 5, right?
exactly.
4 over 7 is that, and then 5 over E should be similar. I don't know. Wait, so how did you do that? How did you do the freaking solve?
The factor? Oh, it's easy. You just gotta do 5 over 4 equals
Okay.
E over 7. You multiply this by this and this by this and
What?
just
How'd you? I thought you could. Yeah, you cross.
yeah, there's a
fucking. Silly. 5 over 7 is. No. 5 times 7.
Slash.
35 over 4e.
Oh, nice. You go with Pythagorean theorem.
X is
How do you
equal
pronounce
to
Pythagorean theorem?
Pythagorean theorem. Normally. Not in any fancy way. And I'm just rather scared to not do well enough.
You will just study hard.
That's the thing. I have been studying hard and nothing has really changed. So, is equal to 3 over 8 is equal to
Yeah, so there's 25 over 3.
25 over 3?
Yeah.
3 over 8. How?
Let me see. Okay.
3 over 8 is equal to
Okay.
0.375. So that's my ratio. 4 plus 4 squared.
Yeah. Yep.
Eight square rooted.
Did you already review logs?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to
Is
that?
You can do a log.
2.82 and I don't look 2.82.
You have the hypotenuse AC, which is AC.
No, that's
AC is fine.
what? What did I do that? Do I not know Pythagorean theorem? 3 squared plus 4 squared is 8 squared. And then square root is
3 squared plus 4 is 9 plus 16 is 25, which is 5.
square root of 20. Oh, I was doing freshman algebra. Stupidity. That should be 5. Then 5
Are you taking chemistry?
times 0.37. 5 is
What's your major?
Electrical engineering, double right?
Double E.
Yeah, double E, exactly. But right now it's like easy because we're taking the same classes as the
so what should the answer
Major
be?
is finance.
Finance?
Yeah.
Oh.
Advanced.
So what math are you taking now?
I take it on the best because I want to choose the best.
What
So,
should the answer
in
be?
my freshman year, I already take like 270 and 290.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And how can you be teaching number 8?
Because they sent me, I'm a qualified student.
Nice.
Actually, that should be taught 151. But 151, I guess I have tough conflict with my course.
Okay.
So, okay, my 48 I can also teach. Maybe next semester I will teach 151, but 51.
Yeah.
What should the answer be?
So, okay, you're from China?
Yeah, from Beijing.
So you learned all this in your school, right?
Yeah, we junior school.
That was really good school.
What
Where do
should
you come from?
Colombia.
Colombia. Oh,
The answer is 25/3.
25/3?
you got it?
25. And then I like decimals. Don't judge. 25/3 is not that.
8.3333.
God damn it.
Yeah,
What?
try it again.
Through,
You need to do
the ratio is
Yeah,
right
problem,
though.
for example.
How did I mess up the ratio?
Everything hard to see if I can do it.
5 times 3/8. No. Divide? No.
Tell me what is the answer.
3/8.
This is the bottom.
What's this? This thingy over here.
Square root.
Oh.
Oh.
Square
It
root?
used to be Spanish.
Yeah. And this is square root as well?
Yeah, yeah.
3/8 is equal
Tutor
to
square root is crazy.
5/x. Bloop, bloop, and then you go. 8 times 5 is
Yeah, my
45.
So in the
8
top is
times
2 plus
5
square
is 40
plus root 3.
That's you see.
over
That
3.
change of thingy?
8 times 5 is 40/3. What? What? Why am I always getting things wrong?
Because you shouldn't use the calculator.
Well, this is basically akin to a TI, whatever basics calculator that you would be allowed to use on a test.
You cannot use the calculator.
No, we're allowed to use.
Should I do?
Now we're allowed to use basic calculators. Calculators that can do basic arithmetic and such.
Do you know this one?
Why am I stupid? Oh my god.
You know how to transfer these format to this format?
What the hell am I doing wrong? What?
What?
No.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. 8/3. Am I just simply getting my ratio stupid wrong?
Then we cancel, right? It doesn't change, right?
8/3.
Okay.
3 times 5.
So wait, what did you get this?
Not correct. Not correct at all.
Yeah.
Nothing.
So 2 squared is 4, right?
Yeah.
Square root 3 squared is 3, right? So 4 minus 3 is 1, right?
Yeah.
So both of them just cancel. So the right answer is 2 plus square root 3, right?
And why did you multiply them, like divided them by this in the first?
That's the only way to do that.
Oh,
So here should be -1.
gotcha.
Really have no idea what I'm doing wrong. And it's annoying me because I know that if I don't know
You
what
don't
to
have
do, then I'm going to fail the next quiz, and then it's going to be in a,
You don't
a
have
circle
to-
of failure.
You don't have to do logs. So just
No, you don't need to do that. Yeah, this will be
What am I doing wrong?
more difficult.
like this.
Yeah, I will show you another one we can do that. Like,
What am I doing wrong?
because here part, I have the notes, but this part we already, I think, we already done maybe 1 week ago.
Oh yeah.
What am I doing wrong?
You didn't come?
I thought I was good at it.
I'm,
I can get it, but it's like, I don't know. I have to repeat that.
If you, I can do this on simple, but this part is not already go past the wall, right?
Okay, yeah.
So I need to search for that.
still have no idea how to do this goddamn problem.
Can I teach it?
Yeah, okay.
Because sometimes you also help you to know better about
Okay,
this.
yeah. So you have the triangle, right? And you know that AC equals 4 squared plus 3 squared,
20. It's 5.
25, and square root of 25 is 5. Yeah, you know 5. So then you do the ratio.
Ratio is
5 over 3 equals x over 8. Then 5
what?
times 8
So stupid.
equals 40 over 3. And then you subtract.
40.
5.
Wait, 40 over 3. Wait.
Yeah, you get 40 over 3, and then you subtract 5. So you get 15 over 3, and the answer would be 25 over 3.
15 over 3. The answer is 25 over.
Do this question.
You can look at my notes.
So 4.
No, here's the answer.
Oh.
You got it?
Wait. So.
I can show you from the numbers. You can just
No. Can you hand me that? It's the cap to my eraser. Oh,
Oh yeah, that was easy. 6 to the 3 is what's 36 times 6.
And what are you doing? AC over AE.
Oh yeah, yeah, that was easy.
AE is 40 over 3.
25 over.
Oh my. I was basically there. I just did not subtract 5. I was basically there. I just didn't subtract 5. Wait, 40 over 3 minus 5 is 25 over 3?
Okay. Here what we have to do.
Okay,
Well,
so let's like similar triangle, right?
it's 5 minutes till the end, so I guess I'll get going so I can do homework and other things.
Yeah.
You're done.
So yeah,
You come from Chicago?
yeah,
Which part?
far west side, like Oak Park, basically.